everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my advent calendar wrap up for 2019. This I'm filming on New Year's Day actually because what can I say, life got busy. I got really busy with the holidays and with my mid-semester assessments, so yeah, I didn't get a chance to open all my advent calendar. I think I got up to day 8 or thereabouts, so day 9 is still full. So I'm going to open from 9 onwards and yeah, share with you guys what I got. So I went from being like super just wanting to open everything and the day's not going fast enough to just being too busy to even think about it. So oh well, things happen. So now I get to open it all at once, which is going to be really fun. So this is a advent calendar that I won from the stamp spot. She had a giveaway on Instagram and I won. So I was lucky enough to receive this and I'm really, really grateful because it's absolutely been stunning so far. So let's see what else we have. So for day 9, I think I already had a sneak peek of this one because yeah, I flipped it over. It's a little bag full of tassels and a cute leatherette bow. Really, really sweet. So let's open this up. So really beautiful mint turquoise bow and a couple of these leather suede tassels, a mint and a raspberry pink, and then a baby pink, like fluffy cotton tassel. Really cute. Okay, on to day 10. If I can find it, there it is. This is a little baby one. Ooh, a couple fall out. I actually had it blow around quite a bit in the wind. It's near my window, so yeah, it's flopped around a little bit, but that's okay. So got a bag full of beautiful little charms here. We have a little flower, which is really pretty, sort of crystal-y material, kind of a little pearly. It's hard to see, it's tiny. And then we have some pastel enamel metal charms. How cute are they? A couple of little cakes, flower, llama or a pinata maybe, but it looks like a llama, and then little shooting stars. So cute. Okay, day 11, back to this one. So there's our journal card, some cactuses, and a pretty bluey minty color. A little glassine bag. Let's see what we have. Paper clips. Oh, cute. So we've got some colored ones and a metallic one. Oh, tangled. So we've got a metallic gold pineapple, really sweet. Then we have a yellow arrow, another pink, just plain paper clip, and then an orange camera. I think it goes that way actually. Little camera, so cute. Okay, on to day 12, which is this one up here. Another paper clip. We have some sweet little photo corners in all the rainbow pastels. Powder blue, a yellow, and a soft pink. Day 13, we're nearly there. So this one's really full actually. Okay, so we have some cards, a 4x4 and a 3x4. Really cute. Pop those in with the other cards. And another card there, a 4x6. And then look at that, cute little bows. These are by Heidi Swap. They're cute little bow embellishments. There's glitter ones, striped ones, and spotty ones. Super cute. Really excited. I've never seen these before. I love pink. I'll get a lot of use out of those. I especially love these little light pink glitter ones. They're really cute. Oh, so cute. I love those. And last but certainly not least, day 14. So we have another bag and another card. Sweet little birds. I love birds. Super cute. And a little floral. Okay, what's in the bag? Little, I've seen these in store actually. Like little pom-pom tassels. They're on little strings, like elastic strings, so really cute to make charms and things with. Okay, that was so much fun to have and to open. Not every day, but you know, I did my best. So now I am going to do my best to recycle all these cards. So I'm going to pop all these out. I'm going to also reuse the pocket pages. So I'll just save that little rosette, and I'm going to pull all the cards out and reuse them, of course, because there's nothing wrong with them. and they're all absolutely beautiful papers. That is everything from me today. Thank you so much for joining me for this advent calendar unboxing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.